We at the City of Oceanside are very excited about this partnership with SDG&E to provide this opportunity for having EV charging stations for our public in a very convenient place like Lucenio Park. We know that cleaner transportation is good for our environment. But on a more local and more personal level, cleaner transportation and especially EV charging stations are good for our locals, good for our residents, and they create great new jobs. So this is something that is very critical to Oceanside, and we're really happy to have this partnership.
The City of Oceanside is a leader in addressing climate change and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It's also a working class community that's extremely diverse. I know the men and women of these communities. They're our brothers and sisters. Our members, SDG&E employees, they live in these communities. IBEW Local 465 is proud to partner with these communities to create not only jobs, but reduce climate change, reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, and install these charging stations right here in Lucenio Park.
As we know, the state of California has very aggressive climate goals, and SDG&E is very excited to help with that transition. And one of the ways we do it is through our clean transportation initiatives. Working with our partners, we're making sure we're bringing electric vehicle infrastructure to the communities most in need to make sure they're also not left behind. We have a long road ahead of us, and it's through these types of investments that SDG&E is transforming the transportation sector in an equitable and an innovative way.